Hey guys. Okay, so a nice short, sharp video this week. I've had quite a few clients reach out recently because their financial situation has changed. So we've basically gone through the DA process, got them an approval to renovate and extend their house or unit or whatever it was, and they've gone, look, unfortunately, for various different reasons, we can't see this approval through. And their question to me essentially has been, can we transfer this approval to the next owner? Can we pass it down the line? Now, the short answer is that the DA approval, the town planning approval, always runs with the land. It does not belong to an individual person. So the minute you sell that property, the approval goes with the sale to the next owner. So yes, you can transfer it and it happens automatically. Okay, that covers off everything I want to talk about today. As I always like to say, until next time, thanks for watching.
For all you red tape lovers out there, I have one thing to say. Well, no, actually, I've got three. Number one, the advice provided in these videos is general in nature. It's not site-specific. You would be a silly Billy to go and make financial decisions based on this advice without first checking with the town planner. Don't be a silly Billy. Number two, Brisbane town planning is in no way linked to Brisbane City Council. The views expressed in these videos are my own, not council's. So if you don't like them, blame me, not council. Number three, what was my number three? Oh yeah, the views expressed in these videos are accurate at the time of recording. If you're watching this video back 10 years from now, the views may not be so accurate. That's all.